Alright, it's Latoya from We Have Oranges, and I'm trying to catch Nana, but she's acting really weird, so look. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
What the heck?
I can't run! My flip-flops, my headband! Oh my god, this is crazy. I can't.
Catch me! Catch me!
What? Alright, this video isn't gonna work out. I'm too fat for this. It's like they sent us a fat camp.
Yo, fat camp. Yo, didn't I tell you about the time? Alright. I was playing handball with my friends, and some kid, when he hit the ball on his, you know, private, he was like, oh, my groin. Groin is a weird word.
Not really.
Who the hell says groin? It's like, what if you guys having sex, right? And he's like, touch my groin, baby. Like.
What if Mark said that to you?
You can't put him in the video.
Oh, I can't put Mark in the video, sorry.
Look, he just said it again.
Not Mark?
I'm like, yo, you're a weirdo.
So what would you give on relationship advice?
Let's see. That's hard.
Alright.
What the hell am I supposed to say?
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
Go with the flow.
Let me give you a scenario.
Okay.
You and your boyfriend been going out for 4 months, and you guys like are going to different schools.
Isn't that you and your boyfriend?
Shut the fuck up. Going to different schools, but like your mom has you on LD, and like you barely see him or talk to him, and like when you talk to him, he's always bitching out. He forgot your birthday, and the day he asks you out, what would you do?
Ask him what's wrong and be like, why are you like ignoring me for? You gotta give it. You gotta like not be shy and stuff.
I'm not shy around him. I curse him out like every day.
What does cursing out have to do with being shy?
Because he fucking hung up on me.
Rude.
That's not being rude.
Yes, cursing at him. Yeah, it pretty much is.
All right.
Baby, I love you. Just don't ignore me.
Well, I need your advice because you know she's not gonna help me.
People for advice.
So can you like comment, you know, whatever, MySpace us. What's your MySpace?
I'm not telling MySpace. All right. Leave us comments saying what advice should she do about her love relationship or any love advice in general.
Or like your love story.
Yeah.
We will try to help you.
Something that will help us, guys. We need help. We're young and in love. We just need some help. We don't want to mess it up, okay, guys?
What did I
Come on, be nice. Please?
The other show was what? Capture What?
And no sex till marriage.
Yeah, abstinence. Abstinence, guys.
Seriously, don't follow Nana. She's not a good role model.
That's not cool. Why did you just, you know? You always make me cry.
Alright, well she's gonna cry. I'm gonna go find another bathing suit to go in the pool. Want to see that? Another video will be coming soon. Later.